The degree audit is a report used to determine academic progress at Ohio State. In order to understand it, you must become familiar with the terms and indicators that appear in the audit. More importantly, you must learn to run an audit so you can determine classes you need to complete the necessary credits for graduation. While the audit and curriculum information are wonderful tools for you to use, it should never be used alone. You should schedule regular meetings with your advisor to ensure you have the correct information. Let's take a look at an audit and see what it tells us. I log into my Student Center using my OSU username and password. On the right side of the page under Enrollment Information, I click on the Degree Audit icon. If the major is declared, the information will appear and you can run the current program. Scroll to the bottom of the page, select PDF for the format, then select Run Audit. You can run an audit for any major at Ohio State by selecting the Run Selected Program option, often called a what-if audit. For this example, I'll run an audit for political science. The text box beneath it indicates the degree-granting college, such as engineering, nursing, or business. For this example, I will use ASC, which is the College of Arts and Sciences. Under College, I will click on ASC. The degree refers to the major. I'll scroll down the alphabetical list to find my proposed major, Political Science. I have the option of a BA or a BS. I will choose Bachelor of Arts. When I enter the degree, the program offers areas of focus. I'll select Political Science, Bachelor of Arts, then select the year that I entered the university. I scroll to the bottom of the page. Next to Format, I select PDF, then select Run Audit. I also see in red that at least one requirement has not been satisfied. Let's take a look. Courses I'm currently enrolled in are indicated by the semester of enrollment as well as the letters IP, which means in progress. I see a green OK next to writing and related skills, which means I have completed those general education requirements. As I continue on, I see a red no next to data analysis. This means I should be thinking about including that class at some point when I schedule. Under that, I see a minus sign to the left, which indicates I need a physical science and a lab course. Next to Culture and Ideas, I see a blue IP, which indicates the history course I've enrolled in for Autumn 15 is currently in progress. Note that each audit may present this information differently, but here I can see the classes I will need to consider in scheduling future semesters. As I move to the end of the audit, I can see the classes necessary for graduation, the credits that are currently in progress, and the number of credits I need to graduate. It's a good idea to run the audit prior to scheduling to allow you to see the classes you need. It's just as important to run the audit after you schedule to make sure the classes went where you expected them to go. If not, you should bring it to your advisor's attention. The audit and the curriculum information are wonderful tools for you to use, but remember, they should never be used in place of regular meetings with your advisor.